Hey guys, what is going on? Really excited about this. Finally got the RedCat Gen8 Scout 2 after waiting for a month and a half. I ordered this back at the end of December as a pre-order, and the vendor I happened to order from didn't happen to get it in stock until the first week of February, and finally it's in my hands. So I'm pretty excited about this. First off, let's go take a look at this box. Right here, I got the Gen 8 in the blue color. Really nice looking truck. Nice looking body, for sure. Look at this panel. It's got some truck specifications, kind of a breakdown of what's inside this, or what's on the chassis. Some more detail about some features of the chassis: departure and approach angles, wheelbase, ground clearance. Goes over the divorce transfer case right there, and the infamous 47-degree steering angle that some others have said that you need to swap out the servo to get that. Oh, all the nice hard plastic scale details on the body, and this ingenious body mounting system using Velcro. Alright, let's open it up. It's a beautiful Scout body. And look at that grill. Light buttons. Look at that. Here's that infamous oddly designed fender flares. Maybe we'll do something about these later. Check out these side mirrors. Cool. And of course, those painted in windows. So like everybody else, I'm gonna have to see if I can do something about these windows. Here, nice look at the inner mounting system. Here's the Velcro, rigidity support. It's kind of cool. Manual, body post parts. It's for the receiver right there. Alright, I have freed the chassis from the zip ties. Hey, look here, spare tire. Cool deal. I think we got one more thing in the box. That's the transmitter. Here's the transmitter. I believe this is FlySky based. Not sure, but I believe it is. I'll try it out and see if it's compatible with my other FlySky receivers. That would be cool if it is. Close look at it. I probably won't be using this transmitter. I'll be using my FlySky, obviously. But we'll see where this goes. And the chassis. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a lot of this truck lately. Love that they included these inner fender wells. Body system mounting again. We'll definitely be changing these out to use magnets. Looks like a Hobbywing 1060 rebrand or something similar. Not exactly a 1060, but I'm sure it's Hobbywing based. Dean's plug. Honestly, I've moved on to XT60s, but I still do have some trucks that use Deans. There's that nice receiver box that everybody's talking about, where you can just unplug and plug from outside the receiver box. Ford mounted motor. The 550 size brushed. The divorce transfer case right there. So look at the shocks. Metal links. Adjustable wheelbase. The portal axles. Look at that. Of course, this thing here that everybody talks about, the hump on the skid. So we'll see what we can do about that later. This is also the one of the things that might need to be adjusted. The steering geometry on this is a little bit funky with the way they did the steering servo mount and the steering rod right there. So take a look at adjusting that as well. I've heard there's a little bump steer on this from the box. Yep. Take a look at that. Bump steer on compression. So we'll have to address that as well. I mean, at least they include a metal servo horn. Just very odd looking, but better than plastic, I guess. Alright, and that's about it. I can't wait to get started working on this truck and tweaking it and kind of seeing where it goes. Alright, let's take a closer look at the tires and wheels. So these do come with bead locks. Feels like the ring is metal, but the inner wheel is plastic. These are the same tires that you can find on the Gen 7 or Gen 7 Pro, I believe. They're Super Swamper Interco IROX. And really rock hard foams. Everybody says these are rock hard memory foams, and yeah, in person, experiencing it firsthand, yes they are. So if I'm gonna reuse these tires, I probably will switch out the foams. and that's it for this unboxing. I really appreciate it if you guys would like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.